the upcoming students. Siyabonga. Ngaphambi kokuba ngithule isizinda, I would like to encourage you to subscribe on our YouTube channel and also tell as many people as you can who are in matric about what we do so we can be motivated to do even more. Sibheka-ke isizinda. We are now looking at isizinda. Isizinda is the setting, all right? Ulimi lwesiZulu, when we analyze in the Zulu language, when we analyze isizinda, we focus on three things in particular, which are indawo, as you can see, isikhathi, and isimo senhlalo. I know that some teachers will also, include isimo somnotho as like a separate entity. But mina, I like to include isimo somnotho as part of the lifestyle, as part of isimo senhlalo. Okay, maybe I learn during that era when it was all incorporated, because the economy is part of, how people live. So it contributes towards that. So umbuzo ke ohambisana nesizinda, the question that usually aligns or speaks to isizinda, kuba umbuzo ohambisana kanje, noma isizinda ke kuthiwa chaza isizinda. Sometimes the examiner may direct you to the components of isizinda that they want you to focus on, or sometimes they will not say anything, but you will judge with the mark allocation that you need to speak about all the three different pillars of isizinda, right? So we will start by looking at isizinda in line with isahluko sokuqala, and maybe isahluko sesibili, which isn't much, because isahluko sesibili, it's all about those guys from overseas, right? So let's start with indawo. Indawo, le ndaba ke, indawo is the place. So indaba ke esikhuluma ngayo ethi umhlaba ofile yenzeka endaweni yasemakhaya, that is just given. It happens in the homelands, indawo yasemakhaya, or in the rural areas. Some people will refer to it endaweni yasemakhaya as emaphandleni. That is also acceptable, right? So igama lale ndawo ebizwa ngokuthi kusemafakatini. That is also as important. The name of this ndawo yasemakhaya, emafakatini, as we know that in the homelands or in rural areas, you will have the name, the village will have its name, like a general name for the village, which is in this case emafakatini. And within the village, there will be a little village within the village, like they will demarcate different wards within the village. And these guys, they live in a little village called KwaNcedomhlope. And because these places, indawo zasemakhaya, they are governed by amakhosi, the kings or the chiefs of those areas. So they tend to name the schools, the community halls, and all the other establishments that they may have there under, in honor of their leaders. So this place in particular, Mafakatini, you will also remember this because the school where these guys went to is also called Kwangcede Omhlophe. And then ubuholi balenda, ubuholi is leadership, is a very important word to know. Ubuholi is leadership balendao, buphethwe yinkosi, meaning the leadership is under or is governed by the local chief or the king, inkosi, nomkhandlu, umkhandlu, which is the council, because the ruling of the council or the governance in the rural areas, kuba khona inkosi as the head of the area, and then the council as inkosi's advisors. So indawo ke isemakhaya, right? We have already mentioned that. And why do we also say, we can also substantiate by saying it is in the rural areas, because abanumzane, these guys, these gentlemen, bafuyile. Fuyile means they are keeping livestock. They have izinkomo, izimbuzi, izinkukhu, amagusha njalo njalo. Futhi batshalile. Batshalile, ukutshala is to grow crops, all right? So meaning they have fields and fields of amasimu. Amasimu are the fields of crops. And imizi yabo ke yakhelena, their homes they are neighbors. Right. So this is how we can support when by saying this story happens in endaweni yasemakhaya or emaphandleni. Then isikhathi is also very important when the time when the story was written, and we can judge, we can see that by things that are used in the story by umbhali. So umbhali would use things such as technology to indicate modern times, isikhathi samanje. They may also use the types or the means of izithuthi transportation also to support isikhathi samanje. There are a whole lot of things that the writer umbhali could use to support isikhathi samanje. Or isikhathi sakudala, like for instance, if they still writing each other letters, they're still sending each other letters through the mail, bengabhalelana ama-email, and all sorts of other things. Right. So kulesi sahluko ke at the beginning of the story, singathi indaba yenzeka esikhathini samanje, ngoba izinkinga zesimo sezulu ezihlasele le ndawo yinto esiyibonayo esikhathini samanje. So we can say it's happening in modern times because the issues of or the weather condition issues that are attacking or affecting ezihlasela le ndawo, this place yaseMafakatini. Remember, Mafakatini, it's indawo that is around at the Midlands, okay, indawo eseduze kwedolobha, right, ekuthiwa iseMgungundlovu, is what we see all the time, all right. And whenever makushisa ilanga, you'd find that around the Midlands, it's to the extremes. And also, if kunezikhukhula, if there are floods, then it's to the extremes. And that area has izindawo ezibizwa ngamadam. They have a lot of dams, all right. Okay, and then ukuba khona kwalamadam, by having these dams, it creates a certain narrative to the people who live in that area, because abantu abaphila kuleya ndawo bananokukholelwa ezintweni that we can say ziyinkolelo superstitions. An example of such, at the beginning of the story, they are banging the cans because they believe when it was brewing storm, they believe that there is a snake called Inkanyamba that lives in one of those dams, and to chase it away so that it does not affect their houses, it does not destroy their houses, they bang the empty cans, bashaya matin. Parasiko lapo, we are here la way we are discussing his cat. So since Solomon noJohn bathola umfundaze, and also we are told that uSolomon noJohn, they got a scholarship ukuyofunda phesheya, which is what of going to study overseas, which is what we see, which is common in modern times. There are a lot of things that you can use just to support isikhathi samanje noma isikhathi based on isahluko sokuqala and isahluko sesibili. Right. So as we continue unpacking isizinda for different areas of the book, we will see incwadi projecting different times as compared to the times that we are discussing in this section. Still on isizinda, the setting, now we are discussing isimo senhlalo, how people live, how people treat one another, how people respect one another, the crime rate in the area, how people thrive, basically, the lifestyle, how they do things. Isimo senhlalo. kule ndawo abantu benza izinto ngendlela okuphilwa ngayo emakhaya. So people do things in a manner or in a way in which people who live in the homelands usually do. Bafuyile, they have livestock, they own livestock. Batshalile, they own fields and fields of crops. Abantu ke abasuke befuyile. So in the homelands, people who have livestock, futhi betshalile, and who have fields of crops endaweni yasemakhaya, they are known or they are classified as the people abaphila kahle, meaning they are well off. They may not be filthy rich, but they are well off. And for that, bayahlonishwa, they are respected in the area. Meaning, umndeni wakwaGasa and umndeni wakwaNtuli is respected in the area because abanumzane, the gentlemen or the heads of the household, bafuyile and batshalile. So abantu baseMafakatini ke bayazana, the people from this village, they know each other, futhi bayahloniphana, and they respect one another. They knew about uSolomoni and uJohn going overseas to represent them. Omakhelwane, the neighbors, bayavakashelana. We can see between what are these guys? uGasa noNtuli, visiting each other every so now and then. You remember that after the fight that uGasa had with uMazwane, he then went to see his friend uNtuli. So bayavakashelana and vice versa as well. So and so are their sons, because their sons are also friends. Nabo bachitha isikhathi esiningi, but they spend a lot of time in emzini kaGasa. All right. So isimo ke somnotho, remember what I said earlier. I said this can be incorporated, this can fall under the lifestyle, the way in which the people live, because all of that sometimes is determined by, the money, by the wealth, by the economy, umnotho, which is the economy. uGasa noNtuli abasebenzi, we are told ukuthi they are unemployed. They've never worked in their lives. Kodwa, oh yes, they have worked, because uNtuli once worked for a guy that was the captain of umkhumbi of some sheep, and then that guy gave him izipopolo that are now used by uJohn when he wants to stargaze. So it's not like they've never worked before, but uNtuli in particular, we are told that he once worked before. Kodwa ke banayo indlela yokuziphilisa. They have ways and means of surviving and also looking after their families in terms of finances. Lamadoda awasibo macaphuna kusale. Please highlight that phrase, is very important. Oh macaphuna kusale, abantu abanemali eningi. Those are the rich people, right? So they are not filthy rich. However, they are living a reasonable lifestyle because they have livestock and they also have amasim. Ake sibheke ke imibuzo ke just to see how much we know in terms of what is happening in these first two chapters. Right, umbuzo ke that you can come across would maybe umbuzo othi bahlala kusiphi isigodi. Kusiphi isigodi means in which area abalingiswa bakule ndaba. Izinsizwa ezimbili, the two gentlemen esizithola endabeni found in the story, zathola umfundaze. The za is in the past. They received or they got umfundaze, a scholarship ukuyofunda kuliphi izwe, in which country. Imizi yamadoda azala uJohn noSolomon, the homes or the house or the homesteads of the men that are parents to John and Solomon, iseduze kwasiphi isikole, closer to which school? Phakathi kukaGasa noNtuli ngubani onengengele eziyimpandla, who is bold-headed between uGasa and uNtuli? I don't know if you still remember that, but if you read the book, you should. babehlezi kuphi uGasa noNtuli ngesikhathi bezwa umsindo wokuqhuma futhi babenzani kuleyo ndawo? Where was Gasa and Ntuli when they heard the sound of like an explosion? Umsindo wokuqhuma is the explosion noise. Futhi babenzani, and what were they doing at that place? Omakhelwane bomuzi kaGasa bacabanga ukuthi kwenze njani uma bezwa umsindo wokuqhuma. Chaza. So the neighbors, because these are people living with other people, it's in the village, it's esigodini, omakhelwane of the Gasa household or homestead, they thought, what is it that they thought was happening when they heard the noise of ukuqhuma? Explain, right? Yini eyikhathaza uGasa noNtuli ngabafana babo njengoba bebuya phesheya kwezilwandle? Bhala amaphuzu amabili. What really got uGasa noNtuli worried? Khathaza is to worry someone, and njengoba bebuye phesheya, hence they've been back from overseas. Bhala amaphuzu amabili, write 2 points. And when you write 2 points, don't just write 1 point. Don't get excited. I always say that. Thoroughly read the question, look at the marker location, and then answer accordingly. Babesiphilisa ngani? How did they survive? Babenza ngani lento ekuthiwa ends meet? Uyayizwa lot, right? Uziphilisa ngani? How did they survive? Thola-ke igama elithi dragon endabeni. Indaba ikhuluma ngama-dragon. Remember, inkanyamba, the stories behind the dragons in the area. Okay? Abantu abanjani ababizwa ngokuthi oMacapuna kusale? What kind of people are said to be the Macapunas kusale? Ucapuna, it means to pick or to collect in volume and then still have massive number of whatever you are collecting left. So that's the direct translation of oMacapuna kusale. So you need to know how to explain those type of people. You can check your answers here. All right. So remember, Suzanne, you can just check your answers. Ake sibone ukuthi-ke ungaqhubeka yini nokuphendula eminye imibuzo. How much do you know ngendaba? Wazi kangakanani? Let's look at more questions. UGasa-ke uthi wababona bephetheni engajwayelekile abafana. Bhala izinto ezimbili. So when uGasa noNtuli were talking, they were talking about what uGasa witnessed, what uGasa saw the boys carrying that was unusual. Right, the two things. What were those two things that were unusual that these boys had? uGasa ubona sengathi laba bafana baphazamisekile engqondweni. Bhala igama elisho lokho. So uGasa-ke, when he saw these boys carrying those unusual objects or unusual gadgets, so he thought baphazamisekile engqondweni. Ingqondo is the mind. When you are phazamisekile, it means you are distracted. They are distracted in the mind, or they have lost their mind, or they have gone mad. Bhala igama elisho lokho. Right, so you need to find a word from the story that means someone has lost their mind. Number 3, caphuna amagama akhombisa ukuthi uGasa ukholelwe emadlozini endabeni. So you need to find words, pick words that indicate that uGasa believes in the ancestors in the story, from the story, emadlozini. Kholelwa emadlozini, believes in the ancestors. Or a traditional man. Okay, so umuntu okholelwa emadlozini, it's someone who's traditional or someone who believes in the ancestors. We underground gang. Bhala izithakazelo ezimbili zikaNtuli ezisetshenziswe endabeni. Right. Kulesahluko. Izithakazelo are the clan name. Remember ukuthi in the Zulu culture, when you address a man by their clan name, by their is a thakazelo, it is a sign of respect and they perceive it as such. So when you call them by first name, it's okay. So some people will just take offense, but when you address them by their izithakazelo, then they will respect you because they will just perceive that as a way or a gesture of respect from your side. wayefuna bashaywe ngani abafana uNtuli. Remember, Untuli is the aggressive one, is the one that has udlame, violence. And then when he spoke to his friend, and then he said, you know, these boys, bafuneka bashaywe, they need to be beaten up. What is it that he wanted them to be beaten up with? Thola amagama ke lamagama endabeni, whether rights, scholarship, journalists, newspaper, a television. Untuli usola bani ngokuya kwabafana eMelika. Remember ukuthi the dweshu that happened between uMazwane and uGasa, they had discussed it as men, Untuli benoGasa, and the two of them, they were blaming, they were not to blame. They did not want to take ownership of sending the boys or allowing the boys to go overseas. But Untuli then blamed certain people for these boys ending up going to America and making them fall for that. Chaza ukuthi kungani uGasa noNtuli bekhathazekile ngabafana. So at the beginning of the story, uGasa noNtuli, they are really worried about these boys, these guys, uJohn noSolomon. Why is that? You can just check your answers. Okay, they may differ from my answers, but these are my answers in line with what we've just, the questions that we've just asked. Okay, let's see more questions. Chaza umkhutshana. Umkhutshana is a little habit owenziwa nguSolomon ngokukaGasa. Right. So that habit that uSolomon does according to uGasa. So uwenzani ukuhuqa igudu, right? So because of that mkhutshana, because of that unusual habit that Solomon did, uGasa thought maybe these boys bahuqa igudu. They are smoking something. And what is to huqa the gudu? Right. UJohn usebenzisani ukubuka ubuhle bezinkanyezi. Remember, I mentioned we spoke about Untuli having worked for someone who was the captain for the ship, all right? And that person gave Untuli what uJohn uses, you know, to stargaze or to look at the sky, at the stars. Yini leyo, what is it? Yina mawongo wongo. They then spoke about amawongo wongo. Amawongo wongo, it's something that is nonsense, something that is rubbish, something that does not make sense. It's something that, you know, it's just weird. Chaza lezi zimo zenkulumo. Izimo zenkulumo are the phrases ukuba nswanswa. Remember when uNtuli benoGasa went to the indlu yocwaningo, they were already nswanswa because they have been indulging in umqombothi. So what is ukuba nswanswa? Right. Is it tugu? You know, they were sweating. All right, you need to find igama elisho lokho ngesiZulu. Right, ukuba nswansa is to be tipsy. Is tugu will be the sweat. Imvubelo is utshwala lo babaphuzayo. I mean, it's the alcohol. Imbobo yepalish. Ipalish is porridge, and imbobo is where does the porridge go in before it gets to the mouth? How does it get to the stomach? All right, so it gets to the stomach through the mouth. What is the mouth? Wangongozangani uGasa endlini yabafana. When he went to the boys' indlu yocwaningo, he did not knock with his knuckles, but what is it that he used to knock? Hlobo luni lwedweshu olutholakala esahlukweni sokuqala. So what type of udweshu? The one between uMazwane and uGasa. Chaza bese ubhala isigameko. There is that word that I spoke about. Isigameko is an incident. You can't walk into an exam room not knowing what isigameko, because the story is made up of different isigameko. izigameko, they make the story. Bala umqondofana wegama, right? The synonym of the word, dalimede, the explosives. So what is the word that was used in the story? Bala izinto ezintathu ezabonwa nguGasa noNtuli endlini yokusebenzela abafana. What were the three things that Gasa and Ntuli saw in endlini yocwaningo, in the research house? Kulezi zinto ke, amongst these things, yini abathi isilinganiso somhlaba? From those three things, which one did the boy say it was the measurement of umhlaba, our planet, which is Earth? You can check your izimpendulo and see if you know all of this. You knew all of those questions. All right. If you do, then well done. Kushuguti, you know your story very well. Well done. Okay, I guess si kubegele manje kuyithimba eliya emkhathini. Remember, we're still looking at abalingiswa, and this is our way of just revising in depth. And then now sasobheka ukuthi ke, other than abalingiswa from Emafakatini, which other balingiswas are there? Here are the other abalingiswa, and this is Itimba. Itimba is a team that is going to space. Emkhathini. Remember, ukuthi igama elithi Emkhathini could mean space. It could mean also the atmosphere, right? So when they were explaining about the formation of the rain, they would use the same word Emkhathini. But we're not interested in the formation of the rain. However, it is important to know that the explosion came from John no Solomon making an experiment of creating rain, of generating imvula. That is what the explosion was about. And that experiment happened twice in the story. It was done by John no Solomon initially, and it got their neighbors scared. And the second time around, it was done by Usolwazi Ensley Cassius to get in the presence of Master Elphus Edwards. Right. Remember these things, they are super important. But tigeke asikho lapho nanti Timba. Kukhona uJohn, as you know, as a guy from South Africa. uJohn Ntuli, we have uSolomon Gasa, as you can see. And then bese kuba khona uMaster Elphus Edwards. Kube khona uDanastus Otto Steady wasentaliyane. This is the engineer. Engineer lawakhona uyi-controller, so he is the one that will be driving i-Apollo, controlling the-Apollo 2-3, which is their spaceship that will take them to the moon. And then we have a Professor Ensley Cassius. So Professor ubona kungcono ukuthi abhale incwadi. So Professor thought it was best that he wrote a letter. Please take note of this. The very first communication between the two of them, when these guys were already, John no Solomon were in South Africa, and then their very first means of communication with the guys from overseas, they wrote each other a letter. So Professor, it was Ensley, this guy, thought they needed to write a letter to John and Solomon, and njengoba nabo beyingxenye, as they were part of the team Eliya Emkhathini that was going to be embarking on the journey or the trip to space, just for communication purposes and stuff like that, and to avoid ukutatazela. Right. Okay. And then sizoqhubeka-ke bese siyobheka-ke izindikimba. Right. So siyazi laba bafo labayana, those guys, they are overseas, baphesheya kwezilwandle. Makuthiwa sikhulume ngesizinda singathi nje phesheya kwezilwandle basemelika, they are in America. So and then bese kuba khona-ke izindikimba-ke, after having read yonke lento esesiyifundile, kunezindikimba-ke sizitholayo endabeni. Sithola imvundikimba yemfundo, which is education. uJohn noSolomon bathola umfundaze yabanika ithuba lokuyofunda phesheya. They got scholarships that gave them ithuba, an opportunity or a chance yokuyofunda, to study phesheya kwezilwandle or overseas. Bobabili, both of them babefunda eNgcedomhlophe. Before they went overseas, they studied at Ncedomhlophe. uJohn noSolomon banolwazi oluningi. They have a lot of information about umhlaba, the world at large, kanye nezinkanyezi, as well as the stars, which they acquired through their education abalithole emfundweni yabo. Imfundo yabo ibapha ithuba lokwazana nokusebenzisana nabantu bezinhlanga ezahlukene. So their education, it is through their education that they were able to meet with the guys of different racial groups to them, right? And they ended up forming a team with them to go to the moon bayolungisa izinto ey'dinga ukulungiswa. Ake sibone ukuthi-ke wazi kangakanani, how much do you know? Usuyayikhumbula kahle-ke indaba. Well done. Ake sibone-ke manje ukuthi wazi kangakanani, meaning how much do you know? Phendula-ke nansi imibuzo elandelayo. Awubheke-ke nansi imibuzo la. Let's look at the question and see how much do you know about indaba yakho, indaba ethi umhlaba ofile. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel so that we can be motivated to create more content for abafundi. Right. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi bhala amagama ezinsizwa ezintathu zaphesheya kwezilwandle ezizohamba noJohn noSolomon ukuya emkhathini. What is to bhala? Bhala is to write. Amagama, the names ezinsizwa ezintathu, the three gentlemen from overseas, phesheya kwezilwandle ezizohamba noJohn noSolomon ukuya emkhathini, that will go with John and Solomon to space. Pendulo yakho, uSolwazi, SOL for Solwazi, Ansley Cassius, uMaster Edwards, no Danistus Otrostelli. So Danistus is also referred to as uGeneral. Okay, they will call him uGeneral. Yisho igama lesiphuphutheki, lamagama abalekile ukuthi wazi. There is isiphuphutheki, umkhumbi mkhathi. Somewhere in the book they use igama indiza mkhathi. All right, indiza, it's anything that is more of like a flying object, like an aeroplane kind of. Right, but these are common words that means the spacecraft, as you can see. Isho igama lesiphuphutheki that they will use to get to the moon. Apollo 2-3 igama lomkhumbi mkhathi. Kungani benike lo mkhumbi mkhathi leli gama? Why did they give this spaceship this name? Chaza, explain. So this is the reason. Balandela ukuthi ithimba liya enyangeni. They are following that. The team going to the moon, ithimba liya enyangeni. Lakhiwe is made up of amadoda amabili amnyama, 2 black guys, kanye namathathu amhlophe, and 3 white guys. So that's how they named it Apollo 23. And the word Apollo is taken from other spaceships that have been before, you know, that they've heard of before. uMaster Edward noProfessor Cassius bahlele ukuxhumana kanjani nezinsizwa zase-South Africa. So they decided to communicate. Lelia gama xhumana, very important. You will know this word from poetry, but uxhumana, it means the communication in this context. How did they plan to communicate with the South African guys? Bazobabhalela incwadi. They will write them a letter. Right. Okay, ayiziyakhala ngempela. Ake siqhubeke sibone ukuthi sazi kangakanani endabeni ngokuphendula imibuzo sikhombisa ulwazi lendaba. Just answer the question and show how much knowledge you have of the story. How much do you know? Question 1. Kungani uNtuli ethi laba bafana bafuna ukubaqhatha namaphoyisa? Right. So why? The question word why? Why does uNtuli think these guys want to get them into trouble with the police officers? Number 2, abafana bathi ngolwani ucwaningo abalwenzayo. The boys are saying, what is the cwaningo? What is the research that they are doing? What are they researching, in other words? Umhlaba ujikeleza amahora mangaki. So when they were explaining to their fathers, they started about the ibhola elingajwayelekile, the globe. The reason why they had a globe, they wanted to see how many times the world or the earth, planet earth, rotates around the sun. And then they said it rotates for a specific number of hours. Bali nombolo ngamagama of those hours. How many hours before we can have the day and the night? UGasa-ke wayefisani uma eqamba indodana yakhe. Remember ukuthi uGasa noNtuli, when they named their sons, they both use imizekeliso like the stories in the Bible, right? Ukuthi the ones was a Solomon who was a very intelligent, a very wise king. So then you need to know why uGasa chose that one. And then John also, remember there was a John the Baptist, and there was a John in the Bible that was sent to this place, and then he decided to, I think it was Nineveh or something, and then he decided to go somewhere else. Right, so you need to know ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho. Nikeza igama lencwadi engcwele. What is the holy book? Lapho uNtuli athatha khona igama lendodana yakhe, where uNtuli took the name that he gave to his son from. Bala umqondofana wegama ukuqomisa. Umqondofana is a synonym of igama ukuqomisa. Ukuqomisa in this context, it means, courting. Because uNtuli said, these boys should be chasing after the girls. They should be courting. What is courting? A synonym for courting. Chaza ukuthi uSolomon wathi kungenzekani uma umhlaba ungama. So in the explanation they spoke about okay, what would happen if planet Earth could just stand still and not oscillate or rotate. Sibizwa ngani isimo sokuzamazama komhlaba ongaphansi komzuzu. They then went and explained ukuthi ke ukuzamazama, which means the movement of umhlaba. All right. Okungaphansi, that is less than a minute. What is that called? All right. So ungazibhekela ke nawe izimpendulo zakho ukuthi ke ziyahambisana yini na lezi zimpendulo ake uhloleke ukuthi ke iy'mpendulo zakho ziyahambisana yini naleziya zembuzwana emncane ekade siyibuzile kwislide esilandelayo. Uma konke kuhambisana, that means you are following the story and you are doing so well. So don't forget to continue to just check out on the content that we upload and subscribe and like our page. Lo msebenzi ke uhlelwe nguThandeka Okabekwa weKabekwa Mumbo Publications. Uma ufuna ukuzitholela imisebenzi esiyenzayo ungasithinta ku www.kabekwamumbo.co.za noma ungazithengela izincwadi zethu via email on publications@kabekwamumbo.co.za, alternatively at kabekwamumbo@gmail.com. And please don't forget to like our page and also subscribe on our channel so that we can be encouraged. You can continue to just produce content that will help and benefit our students. Siyabonga kakhulu, sinifisela okuhle. Uyeza ke upart 3 where we continue to unpack indaba ethi umhlaba ofile. Keep watching.